Yeah, mate, we did it.
Fixed objective done.
You did. Oh, Tom! Where the fuck are you driving it? Oh, someone, put me up. This is a bit stupid.
Brandon,
Oh,
I'm
fuck.
coming towards you.
I'm gonna die again.
Brandon, we need to get C. Oh shit, Brandon, someone's just got past me and hit me.
Oh fuck, I just killed the horse. Oh!
Hey, magic.
Oh!
Oh,
There's a tank!
oh.
Oh, Tom!
Jesus, what the fuck? Happens.
The airship is on top of us.
Oh. Brandon, I see a whip.
I don't see you.
I can't pick you up, Brandon. Don't you see this whip?
Yeah. I see it.
Hi, Brandon.
Halfway there, the enemy
Hello.
has the upper hand.
Why have we
Right.
got a gold gun?
Because I'm awesome. Oh, fuck.
We're test back to our spawn and we're going to sort that out.
Someone shooting at me. Oh, shit.
Brandon,
Run.
stay alive.
Run.
They've taken objective Charlie.
Stay in the car, Brandon.
I am. Out of the car. Ah.
Right, Brandon, get ready to right, I'm in.
Oh, you're in.
Right, Brandon, get ready to change seats.
Can't see. Change seat.
Change seats, Brandon.
Fine. Yeah.
Let's just drop around. There's no need for violence, Brandon.
Yeah, but we're gonna run into some mine.
Well, I was going to repel a car then. And do you get the driving seat? I'm repairing the car. There we go. Ready?
Yep.
We're off on the trip. We're off on the trip. Ready to be going on a trip. And their favourite whip. Driving through the sand. Little sandy whip. Come and drive. Get ready to let's drive. Come on. Come on, this
Oh,
fucking
there's
horse.
a tank.
Oh shit. I found another whip. Do you want to get in?
Damn it.
Oh, okay. I'm just going to go repair it. I was going to test. Oh.
Uh-oh.
I'll take it to a garage and fix it.
No,
Don't need to, there's a new one. Oh, look at that, we fixed it. Whoa. Right, we'll drop up normal people.
Dreadnought on
Right. Where are we going?
Going around, mate.
Oh, there's an AA gun over there. Should we go and take it out?
Yeah, so I'm trying to find a bridge.
There isn't a bridge. You're gonna have to like jump over the water. Oh no! Why did you choose that bit? Oh, I just got gun.
Kill! I got a kill!
Dreadnought has
Oh
arrived.
my god! Bro, let's spawn this dreadnought. The hell, I can't spawn the fucking dreadnought, Brandon.
Yeah, because I took your seat.
Are you driving it?
No. Shit. What? What just happened? Oh, I'm not in the Dreadnought anymore. Oh, Tom.
Oh, I'm in. I made
Right.
it.
What is going on? Did you just get off?
I'm repairing the boat.
Repair the boat.
Oh, I repaired
We
it.
have lost objective Edward.
Where did you go? Did you die?
Yeah, I died, man. I'm with you, Brandon.
Oh, there you are. Right, can we go over to A? There's a gun. There's a man on a gun. We need to get him. There's a man on a horse.
That's my horse.
Right, you can take the horse if you
Sure.
want.
I'll be right
Do
back.
not-
Come and revive me.
So I'm guessing you died. Oh, I can't revive you because
Yeah.
I'm not medic anymore. Cool.
Brandon, I'm gonna get ourselves another whip.
Oh! Where's he trying to bayonet charge me? Oh, I'm dead.
Brandon, why did you spawn on me?
Did I find a whip?
Oh, okay, I thought you spawned on me by mistake. Let's go find a whip. There's no whips, Brandon. The Dreadnought is nearly dead.
Yeah, well, it didn't do much anyway.
There's Brandon, sorry.
What? Oh!
I can't live like this, Brandon.
Wait.
I left the Dreadnought's now nothing. I've left. No, I left
Oh.
it before it killed me. Brandon, go to C. Brandon, I
Wow.
died now because you didn't get C. Well done.
And that was my fault because...
You didn't come to C and help
Yeah!
me. You trying to go back to medic then when you die?
Well, yeah.
Brandon, you can come to me, I need health.
Sıhhi yardım çantası tedavi ol. Sağ olasın birader.
Thank you.
We have lost objective Duff.
Oh! Oh! What? Tom! There's one behind us.
What?
Ow.
Brandon, revive me quickly.
Tom, I just died to save you.
I got him, I got him, I got him.
Objective Duff.
4-piece headshot, but it didn't count because...
Okay, a medic just
More
spawned
shot.
on me. And he ran off. Could have revived me.
Yeah, but he didn't once though, did he?
No. Idiot. He's a meanie. Oh my
Oh,
god.
he's an absolute bum.
Wow. That's amazing. Is that your horn?
Oh, shit.
Tom! What the hell are you doing? Fuck.
Why?
Tom, you've